Yo, what's up guys, it's me, it's Action Figure Freak once again, and are you ready for a new mystery toy unboxing? I'm not sure if I am, cause I spent way too much money again. So yeah, let's just dive in, start with this shit. Okay, let's go. The first thing I'm gonna start with is something from Disney. I really don't know what this is, just found this random on shelves. So yeah, let's see. What do we have in here? Oh, okay, that's interesting. Let's see first. What is this? Okay, we get kind of three items and two figures when I see it right. That looks like that chip and chap thing. Can't open this or anything. Then we get here Donald Duck. Oh my god, that's cute. That's really cute. Let's put them over here. And what's the third thing? Okay. SS Miss Daisy. Can I put the Donald figure in there? Yes? Yes, I can. Okay, let me see what this is. Okay, here we have the collectibles letter, and as you can see there are a lot of figures to collect. Here we got the Donald Duck with Chip and Chap, and I've realized after looking at this they really got 5 series of that. Look at Mike Glowalski with that door frame. That's pretty cool, really like that. So I think let's just start with the second one. Okay, let's cut this open. Really think these are cute. Another letter. And oh, I think we have Simba. Oh, more pieces in here. Okay, that could be the fur. That could be anything. There we have I think that's Simba. Not pretty sure, but also looking really cute. And the second one, there we have, I think, Nala. Okay, I've got it, it's here. So you stick these two pieces on the tree, and that one piece attached on his back doesn't really fit, as you can see. So he can pretend to be a grown-up lion or something, I don't know. And yeah, then you could just leave him in there. It worked for a second, but yeah. All in all, just looks pretty funny, nothing too special. So let's go on to the next one. So let's see here. This is probably from an anime. I haven't seen the anime. So let's just open this and know nothing about it. Okay. That's basically that one character I saw on the box and thought I've seen him somewhere, don't know where, and thought this could be fun, and then I realized I don't know the anime. Yeah, whatever, just opening that shit. Okay, here we see him. Can move the arms. It's not like these Funko figures, it's plastic and inside there's nothing. You can move the arms and the head. And pretty funny thing, you can change that leg piece to that. Really looks weird for a moment, but yeah, you can really make him sit. I think it's pretty funny. Let's go over to Bot. Really love that. Okay. Oh, is that a bigger one? Oh, there's a TV screen. Yo. TV screen, cop, officer, whatever. Looks really cool. Let's see how to transform this thing. Oh, come on. Don't want to rip apart the leather. Yeah, here. Look at this. Come on. Okay, it's TV cop. And he was deformed in the bag. Okay. Let me just check that up. So that's TV cop. First thing, pull out the arms of here. Twist them down. Then you flip down the uniform. And yeah, there you have him. TV cop. So let's see, let's just open another battle world, battle ball. Yeah, I got some kind of glue sticky shit to hold this ball in place. Okay, why am I doing it like that? Could easily search for there. Like that here. Okay, let's open this. Okay, let's see. Which figures do we have? Ooh, that's another one I don't have. That's Hulk 2099, or am I sure? I don't know. Let me just check that. Yeah, right here. This is dark green. Didn't have this figure. Pretty cool. Let's see his powers. Okay, 3 attack and 3 brain. That's pretty okay. And the mystery figure we have. Oh my god. That's, I think, the first rare I pulled from these normal balls. Okay. Gotta open this to see which figure. I think that's Infinity Stone Groot. Oh my god, yes. Damn, he 8 attack. They got more attack. Next thing I would say, Marvel Battle Cubes. Really love these. Haha. Which one is it? And we got a double. Okay, I bought that Star Wars Squadron Micro Galaxy, what is it, Razor Crest, last month I think, and it was pretty cool. And then I found these blind bags from Star Wars Micro Galaxy with a small vehicle and a small figure. And yeah, that's cool shit. So we got Darth Maul. We really got Darth Maul. Crazy. Love it. Really love it. And his vehicle. Oh. From episode 1. When they tried to escape after rescuing Anakin. He almost ran over Anakin with that. And it also is in the Sith Infiltrator in his Lego set. I have one of the 1000 versions of Maul's plane. So yeah, there is it included as well. And yeah, there we have it. Pretty cool, really like. I would say, let's do the Funko My Hero blind bags. Who we could get here? Oh, I'm really hoping for that All Might without powers. Floppy maybe. That ice and fire bending special Todoroki is pretty cool. Let's just see. That's an exclusive line of these Funko things, which is pretty hard. Didn't thought that this was possible. And it feels a little bit heavy. Can also be possible that I say every video these are heavy. Okay, I got, oh my god, what was his name again? Ah, shit. It's been a while when I was watching it again. Ah, yeah, I know him, that quick speed guy. What was his brother's name? Oh, I know. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I fucked up, but that's a cool figure. Look at it again. Really, real cool figure. Even with that almost clear plastic effect, pretty cool, pretty cool. Put him over here. And for the next one, I would say Minecraft squishies. Haven't opened these for a while because these cost about almost $10, feels like, in Germany. And we got a B. We got a B. What is so funny about these? First, they smell pretty cool. Second is squish them and then they turn back to normal. Really like these. Pretty cute. Okay, let's open Lego minifigure bags again. Just knife it. So they have the exclusive Disney line. And do I have any special? Oh, think I know who I got. That would be pretty cool. Dude, these letters are getting smaller on Lego every time. Ah, yes, boy. Got that frog princess thing. Pretty cool. Didn't see the movie, but just have seen memes with him. And I think he has a pretty unique and cool character design. Hahaha. Then his stuff, like this and this. Okay, that's cool. And he also got something like a ticket, and that's even a print. Pretty cool. Really enjoy this. And I wasted shitloads of money for all of this again. Oh, that's hard. That's gonna be expensive. They really got Disney 100 in silver printed on these plates. Dude, that's gonna be hard. That's gonna be hard. Oh my god. Okay, next one is going to be here, the Disney mini brands. Told you last time, these are way too expensive to buy more of these, and even after I got a pretty unlucky pack with 3 times Rapunzel pack, or Rapunzel pieces inside of there, I just bought another one because that Spider-Man mask and mini Iron Man figure made me addicted, as I said. Yeah, so let's waste more tons of money. These have just such a cool feature to open. That cap opening thing. So let's start with the smaller ones again. And let's see who we have. Oh, come on, there. Something cool, something like Hulk, come on. Oh, we got a Baby Yoda attack snack. Attack, protect snack. What the heck? That slushie is maybe a little bit too big for wrestling figure accessories or anything like that, but it's still fine. Next one, just diving right into it. It's pink. Okay, it's a Disney Princess camera. So that's okay. It's pretty okay. Could have gone worse. So the next one, it's okay. It's a Minnie Mouse figure. It's a Minnie Mouse action figure. Pretty cool. Really like it. Oh, Stitch and Mickey are in the same series. So, okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, and let's see. First one, the last big one, is going to be this. And dude, that's a lot. Okay, here we got checklist for different brands. And we got Mickey in a truck. Oh, that's an electric car. It's also with Minnie, but they showing Pluto here. Can't see him here. But yeah, whatever. That's also a pretty cool thing. And the last one is a princess shit again. Oh, what a big fuck shit. What is the... Oh, it's a shopping bag. It's a Disney princess shopping bag. Ah, boy. Yeah, the last one is fucked up. Let's just go over to the next and last theme. Okay, here we have the last thing. Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. Pretty cool. Just opening it right now. Okay, I really don't know him, think. Right. So I've been watching the different seasons of Five Nights at Freddy's for a while, so I played till the 5th or 6th game, but not pretty consistent, so I really don't remember this one. Yeah, that's a little bit sad. Ooh, what the fuck? So yeah, that's everything I got for today. The hottest picks I think was that Infinity Groot, that TV cop, Tanya Ida, that's his name. And I think also the Darth Maul was pretty cool. So yeah, this was everything for this week, and I hope I see you next week. Bye.